If you're asking me what is the most important question in SQL for the data engineer, then I would say it is a SQL join. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important and frequently asked interview questions based on the SQL join. Today's scenario is very important, and most of the students I have seen that they are not able to give the answer properly about this SQL join. So let us go to my screen, try to understand the question first, and then I will show you practically how to solve this SQL related question. So there are two tables are there which we are going to join. So we have a table number A and table B. Under this two table, there is a common column is available with the name ID. So basically the condition will be A.ID equals to B.ID. Now what will happen in the inner join? I'm trying to do with the inner join. So in the inner join, your common record will come in the output, right? So what will happen? A.ID. So first of all, 1 will come, and this 1 will compare with the first one. First of all, it will compare with the first one. So you will have output like 1 and 1. Then the same one will also get compared with the second one. This is the situations where people are making the mistake. They are only doing the join with the first one only. You need to do the join with second one also and third one also, because your first one will be compared with first, second and third. So you will have, so this is like 1 1, then 1 1 and then 1 1. So you will have 1 1 1 1. This is the output. What about 2? Now since we are talking about the inner join, but 2 is not available in the B table, so 2 will not be the part of your output. Only the common records will be there. So in this join, the very important thing that you need to understand that 1 will be compared with all the 1 which are available in the B table. That is the inner join. What about the left join? So let's try to understand in the left join. So in the left join, all the records from the left that will come. So in the left, all left record will come plus common record will come, correct? That is the thing. All the left side and common record will come, right? So let's talk about the common record forms. So what are the common records are there? Okay. So we have 1 is there, and 1 will be compared with all the 1 from your right hand side. So it will be like 1 1 1 1 1 1. This is similar like your inner join only, because your 1 is going to be compared with all the 1. Then what about the 2? Because all the records from your left hand side will come, right, in the left join. So 2 will come, but on the right hand side nothing is there, so it will be null. So this value will become your null actually on your right hand side, because 2, there is no matching for the 2 on the right hand side. No 2 available here, correct? So this right side will be your null. If you understand the left join, it is completely similar to right join also. Right join. So in right join, what will happen? All right side record will come plus common record will come. Common. Just take an example. First of all, we will take the common records. Now on the right join, in the right join, what will happen? This one will compare with this one. So you will have 1 with 1. But for 1, we don't have another 1 here. Only 1 is there, because the comparison will start from right to left. So you will have 1 here, 1 here. Then what about this one? Now it will come to the second record. This one will compare with this one. So you will have 1 1. Similar way, this one will be comparing with this one. So you will have 1 1. So all the records from the right hand side we have already taken, and all the records on the right hand side is matching with the left hand side. So the output will looks like this in your right join. Now how to write down the query also. If you understand this concept, we are going to see this practically also, how to write down the query also. Now what I will do, I'll use this PostgreSQL where I have two tables I have already created. So I have a table number 1. This is the same record, and I have table number 2. Now what I will do, I'll just write down the query like select. What I want to select? I want to select a.id, comma b.id. I want to select a.id and b.id. So because there are two columns are there and both have id as a column, so I'll mention like a.id dot b.id. You can also mention the alias from which table? From a table. I want to join with b table on the condition a.id equals to b.id. So this is your inner join. Let me try to run it. If I'm running it, I'm getting 111 111. You can see here. So where is that? Here 111 111. If I want to do left join, you just mention left here. So it will fetch all the records from your left hand side. So 1112 111, 1112 111, and this is null. See here, this is null mentioned here. And if I want to do right join, so I'll mention the right, and you can see 111 111. You can see the 111 111 here. This is what I have explained you in our today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this SQL data engineering important question. Likewise, I'm going to explain lot of other interview questions also. If you are thinking that today's scenario is very, very important for you, you can subscribe to this channel. You can join our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. You can follow us on our Instagram. And one more important thing, if you are looking for real-time practical based training based on the data engineer or other technology, you can reach out to the Learnomate team. The numbers are available over the screen.